On January 14, 2011, the Tunisian people, considered among the best educated in the Arab world, pursued its desire to get Tunisia rid of a legacy that had lasted 23 years and announced spring in the middle of winter, and with it the blossoming of its potential and of its ideas. In fact, the best connected people in Africa, as stated in the Network Readiness Index, and best trained in the use of NICT, successfully drew up the first electronic revolution in mankind history. This very talented population, particularly adherent to new technologies, has long been seen as the absolute wealth of Tunisia and as a vector of transmission across generations of a 3,000-year business culture. At the beginning of the 70s, thousands of international businesses concerned with their competitiveness next flocked to Tunisia, with the assurance to find local skills particularly passionate about the challenges and well-equipped in technical and scientific distinguished qualifications. Located at the northern tip of Africa and only 2 hours away from major European cities, Tunisia has always been considered as a privileged platform for international development thanks to a favorable legislation and a universal living model.
Why did we choose Tunisia? Number one is the strategic vision of the government, which offers not only the investment opportunities, the support system, the educational system, all the infrastructure that a company needs that's investing, but more important, it provides sustainability. And where does the sustainability come from in a company? It comes from the people. And the people in Tunisia have the highest interest in providing quality work, which we're in aerospace, and that's an important integral part. As you well know, with aerospace, everything has to perform, without a doubt, no risk.
En fait, ce qui est impressionnant quand on arrive en Tunisie, finalement, la première surprise qu'on peut avoir, c'est que, pour un Européen en tout cas, c'est qu'il n'y a pas de surprise.
Tunisia today, which the experts are quick to mention as the smart sites in the Mediterranean, is serious about its historic assets when it comes to seducing the most demanding investors. Thanks to a diverse and reliable infrastructure, Tunisia has followed in real time developments recorded by the global industry. Today, the textile, mechanical, electrical and aeronautical sectors rank the country as the European Union's first southern Mediterranean industrial exporter. From apparel to high-end mechanical parts, companies operating in Tunisia meet in time orders from Europe or even the US market. Having proved to have strong traditions in typical industrial niches, Tunisia moves confidently towards the assimilation of new areas that make human intelligence an apparatus for growth. Offshoring and research and development are already attracting the most prestigious names in the industry. One of the first technology centers dedicated to such activities is now actually seeing its third extension being made for it to be able to respond to requests. Other sectorial technology centers will ultimately enable Tunisia to rely on its region's strengths and position itself as the Mediterranean's most competitive site.
Ardia en Tunisie, ça représente aujourd'hui un des centres R&D principaux de notre groupe, le groupe Actia, et donc un centre où on va développer nos nouveaux produits grâce à l'ingénierie en fait qui est réalisée ici.
The Tunisian people are highly educated, they're very dedicated, very disciplined, so we could transfer some of the highest technology that's available in the world here in Tunisia.
Vor allem in Tunesien, weil wir glauben, dass Tunesien für erneuerbare Energien im Gesamtkonzept eine Schlüsselrolle spielen kann. Einmal, weil sie die notwendigen Sonne und die notwendigen Platz hat, um Wüstenstrom zu produzieren und zu exportieren.
3,000 years back, Tunisia, then a Carthaginian trading port, served throughout the Mediterranean basin. Nowadays, the Tunisian ports and airports serve the whole world, thus allowing international groups based there to stay connected to customers wherever they are. After having experienced it, everyone who chose this country will tell you, Tunisia not only allows you immediate profitability, but it also allows sustainability.
J'encourage les industriels européens qui sont à la recherche de performance qualité, mais aussi de coûts compétitifs, de venir voir en Tunisie. Je suis convaincu qu'ils trouveront ici, dans ce pays, tout ce qu'ils cherchent.